Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to talk a little bit about what is up guys. Welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to talk about why Carvana is winning. Stay tuned.
Welcome to the complex.
It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the...
Alright guys, unless you've been sleeping under a rock, you may have noticed that the car prices right now are insane. You can't buy a new car and the used car prices are skyrocketing. If you get an old tire that you kick down the street, the price of that is skyrocketing. So it's pretty crazy right now. I'm going to give you a little example on why companies like Carvana are winning and why used car sales right now are the place to be and why they're making all the money and making all the moves. So basically what's going on is there is a chip shortage, there is a labor shortage, which is equaling to a new car shortage. And when you have supply and demand with an excess of money going out into the market, the thing that happens is you have more people who want cars and can afford cars than the actual cars themselves. So currently there's no new cars, and the waiting list for anything that is a popular car or a wanted car, anything that's luxury, anything that's a really popular car is going to be really short on supply, and the demand is going to be very high for those vehicles. So what's going to happen is you're going to see inflation and you're going to see the prices are sky high. If you look at the example I'm going to show you, it's going to be a 2021 Chevy Tahoe, which is a very popular car. The Chevy Tahoe is a popular car among families that like to travel and people who have multiple kids or have to transport multiple people in comfort. So what it looks like here is the Chevy Tahoe is going to have a price of $49,000 from the manufacturer Chevys, meaning if you were to order this vehicle, you are going to pay the $49,000. So this is the suggested retail price, or MSRP as some people may know it, or sticker price. So the sticker price that they are going to sell the car at is going to be $49,000. But what's going on right now is that sticker price is getting hiked up even more than normal. So normally you would negotiate with the dealership and try to get that $49,000 price or lower, and try to avoid all the markups and dealer fees and things like that to make the car be around $53,000 instead of $49,000. But what we're running into now is you're looking at $10, $20, sometimes $30,000 overpriced for normal cars or something that's a little higher end. So with that being said, I don't see very much hope anytime soon. In 2022, 2023, we still might be battling this a little bit. I know used car salesmen are loving it. Anybody in the used car dealership or industry is loving it, which is why Carvana is looking for a lot of advocates right now to work to sell these used cars and buy these used cars. And if you look at the markup on this example I'm showing you right here on the screen for the Chevy Tahoe, you're going to see that they are going to make a killing off of this car. It is a 2021. MSRP is $49,000. The car itself on the website is $66,000, which is kind of insane because they are well over the price of a brand new car if you were to order it from the manufacturer. Even with a couple $1,000s in dealer markups and salesman fees and all that crap, you're still looking at a quite a handsome sum over what the price of the car is. So if you are buying a used car right now, I would suggest don't, because that's only going to further increase the inflation and prolong the inflation, because it's going to show them that you don't care about what the price is. You're going to pay that anyway. So if you can hold out, I would suggest holding out. If you really need a car, you can't wait, try to find a good deal somewhere. You can still find them here and there. Maybe change the vehicle you're looking for that you had your heart set on until things get a little bit more normal, so you're not paying $10, $20, $30,000 over the car. I mean, that's a whole new car by itself. So try to hold out. I'm holding out right now. I've been needing a car for like this whole year, and I've been wanting to bring a new car to the channel, but I haven't been able to because the prices are all craziness, and I refuse to pay $50,000, $60,000 over what the car actually costs. So that's just my little advice for the day, and kind of why companies like Carvana are really pushing and really selling these cars. I'll show you guys some cars that they have real quick, just browsing through. I'm looking for something a little mid to high end, so hopefully I can get that soon. Nothing that really Carvana sells, but who knows. But they have a lot of high-end cars. They have a lot of choices, which makes them a popular choice for all these car buyers, because they have so many choices. If you want a Jaguar, they have it. If you want a Range Rover, they have it. If you want a Corvette, they have it. If you want a Honda Civic, they have it. If you want a Toyota Corolla, they have it. It's really hard to beat that. And then you go over to the dealership, they have nothing. If you go to the Porsche dealership, there's not one brand new Porsche on the dealership in my area. If you go to a Toyota dealership, there's no new pickup trucks. If you go to Audi, they barely have any Audis. So no matter where you go, they don't have anything new. I mean, you might be able to find a new Civic or something of that nature, something really, really common, but even that's gonna be maybe $5,000 to $10,000 more than it should cost based off of what's going on here. So stay smart, save your money, don't waste it, don't pay all these overpriced, ridiculous fees. And if you are a used car salesman right now, you are killing the game and making a lot of money. But that's just my advice for the day, guys. All right, guys, hopefully this information helps. If you guys wanted to know how Carvana is surviving, staying afloat, they're actually thriving right now. Stock prices are up. Everything's going good with the company. If you guys appreciate the information, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you want some more video content, and I'll catch you guys later for the next video. Peace.